Good morning, tree lovers. This is Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at treeplanters.com. We have just installed this little Sylvester Reclinata. 4 trunks, 6 to 8 foot of trunk height. Total height of the tree is about 15, 16 feet. This is a stunning tree, and we have just put it right to the right side of that window in this front yard. By the way, let me show you this front yard. Sylvester palms, triple trunk ribbon palm, driveway full of royal palms, another triple trunk ribbon palm, another Sylvester palm over there that we just planted and we're about to cut the rope on it. But we're the tree planters. This is what we do. It's all we do. We do it every day, all day. We're not landscapers. Check us out at treeplanters.com. Give us a call.